the last thing that I needed for my office. I am so excited. It is finally here. And it only took like 4 days to get here from California. So that's pretty cool. I do have a Apple store about an hour from my home, but I've been very busy trying to get everything made in my office and everything set up, still doing renovations. And now I thought it would be easier just to order it, and it was. What I really like about the packaging is they will make you sign for it when you order, but I signed a release with DHL and they set it at my door, but I was still home. And what I love about it is there's no identifying packaging. When you open this, it's just very simple. The other thing that is so amazing about Apple products, which I've started using Apple products back in 2006, and I bought my first iMac, I believe, in 2008. Maybe it was between 2006 and 2008. And I've always loved the ease of their packaging because so many companies make it so difficult to get into their product after you buy it, right? It's always a fight to open things. And what I wanted to show you here is it's got this really beautiful handle here. I always keep the box in case you ever have to return it. When I lived in Florida, I lived like 10 minutes from an Apple store. I always had the Apple Care that I purchased along with it. And then years ago, hardly anything ever goes wrong with the iMacs now. But when I first bought them, they were just still, making them better and better. And so things did every once in a while. I would have some kind of a technical thing and I would just go make an appointment at the Apple store, put my box in there, and their handle wasn't as comfortable as this one is. But it was always so easy to pack it up. Right here, it just tells you to take this and you just open it right here. And that should help us to open the box. We have one finger and here. Yep. Then you can just take it and you open it. Ooh, so easy to open. And that piece there was to protect. And look how simple. And it has the beautiful hello, which is the signature piece from Apple products. And you have here, it tells you what to do. It's telling you to push this part down right there. And there we go. And then I'm going to come over here and it has another arrow right here. Makes it so simple. Look, none of that horrible plastic stuff that is so difficult. And there we go. Two sides down. And then we can just open this right here. And there's the beauty. It's so pretty. And look how simple. Like, I just love the packaging. It's so simple and so easy. Just these little things here. It just makes no styrofoam, which I love because I can't stand that screeching. I can't stand that chalkboard thing from that. There's the back of the handle there. Here is my base. And there is the computer. Now I will be taking this apart, which I'll have to turn off my camera to do that. And we'll set it up on the desk. And then all you do is plug it in and follow just a couple of prompts like, do you want it in English? No, what language do you want to speak? And you click on English. And that's almost all you have to do besides hook it up to your Wi-Fi, which it'll automatically find your Wi-Fi. It's so intuitive. Oh, I can't wait for my new one. Before I moved 3 years ago into my new home, I sold all my old iMacs for parts. And I've just been having my MacBook Pro this last 3 years, and I'm just so excited to get another desktop. And here is my beautiful pink Mac. This is the largest size they sell now. And I love it. I absolutely love it. Look at the cute little keyboard. Sorry about the shadows. And look, the Magic Mouse even has that pink line. And when you type on it, it even has dark pink. It's so adorable. And then from Costco, I got this LG double monitor so that I have all these monitors. Just absolutely am in love with my Mac.